Hey guys, welcome back to Sharkins and Toys. Today, we are not showing our faces because this is a very special one.
We are opening up some surprise Play-Doh balls which are full of surprises.
And jars and packing backpacks.
And some of the Season 6 recipe books.
Okay, so I will go first.
Let's
Okay,
go.
and I will start off with...
Which one?
You.
That one.
Okay, the little bunny Petkin backpack from Season 5. Whoa, I did not expect that. Okay, so I'm gonna dig in here for surprises. Oh, I see something. Get this extra Play-Doh out. Oh, it looks like oh god, I can't get this out. Dolly, no, it's not Dolly Donut. Rolly Donut.
Yeah.
Okay, and she is really hard to get out. Oh, I got her out.
It is for a Donatina exclusive Shopkin.
And Dom, well, since we don't have a pencil with us, we'll have to be using scissors to get it out.
I'll just get it out of the hole.
Yeah. Okay, so since we don't have pencils, since we don't have pencils,
Yeah, pencils would be much easier.
yeah, to get them out, like all that to the hole, since we're lucky there's none there. So, Dom will just clean off the Shopkin and then we will show. Okay? Wait, okay, so this one is good. Okay.
So the next one is I'm going to be opening up this one. So I'm going to take off that and put it there. And I'm going to open it up. Oh, there's something straight away. Ooh. Oh, it's an exclusive. I know. It is. I can't remember the name to this, but I know that it is. It is a, I think it's Bubblicious or something like that. No,
I think it's Bubbles from
Bubbles.
the Shopee Bubbleacia.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
So
I will
cute.
clean this up.
And I think there's more in here. Oh, I found one. I found another one. Here it is. It is Polly Popcorn. Oh, just popped straight out.
And she is the exclusive for Puppet.
Yeah.
And okay, I cleaned up Bubbles because there was some in there. She is so adorbs. I think she's my favorite. And now,
Really cute. Now I think there's just one more in there because I can kind of see something kind of nuts. I'm just gonna get it all out. Ooh, it's I can't remember this name.
I think it's Casey Caster Sugar.
Yeah,
right?
from Season 6. And it has its barcode on the back as well.
Okay, so it's my go. I'm going to pick this one. And it is the ice cream, and it has a purple ball. I'm going to get it out. Okay, I'm just gonna put that. Oh no, that side. Oh no, it's falling. Okay, I'll fix that up later. Okay. Oh, I can see something. Oh, it's like a metallic. Oh, I think I know who this is. It's Freddy Fried Rice. And he is an ultra rare from Season 6, and he is really adorable. Okay, sorry, I knocked them over. And he actually has no Play-Doh on him. And I think Season 6 is really good because they have no holes, so you won't get anything in there.
Yeah.
Anything else? No, that's it. Okay, Dummy's good.
Okay, so I am going to be opening up one that is in here. Oh, it's green Play-Doh, so I'm just gonna get that off. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a hard one.
Oh, you can actually kind of see it, so it's actually at the top.
Ooh.
Looks like a jumbo one.
Oh, I like this one. This one's cool. It's one of my favorites. I'm not. I think it's Bolinda popcorn.
Oh yeah, Bolinda, because the bowl. S-O-L-O-L.
Okay. So I'm gonna put that back.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is Bolinda popcorn. Get the whole
And that's all of them exclusive Shopkins for Poppet.
Yes.
We have Polly Pocket and Belinda.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's my go. I choose you. Wow, look at this. It's the season 6 jar. Okay, and let's dig in here.
There's so many in there.
Oh, I can see something. Ooh, it looks delicious. Oh, it's like ice cream. Oh, I think I know who this is. It's the exclusives from Peppermint, and
Yeah.
I'm not sure the name of it, but I'm just gonna quickly get this out. Okay. Oh, I just came out. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of this, but I know it's Peppermint's exclusive.
Yeah.
And anything else in there? Oh, I see something in there. God, it's really big.
We're having a bit of technical difficulties.
Sorry, it's the camera. And no, sorry, I dropped it. This is Chuck and Chip, season 6, and this is probably my favorite season 6. I like this adorable one. Anything else? Oh, I can kind of see something there. And it's really hard to get out. Oh, I got it out. This is, it's Papa Pizza Base with some pizza
From season 6.
barcode, and yeah. Anything else in there? No? Anything? No, I think that's it. So I'll just put the Play-Doh back in there. Okay, it is Dommy's go.
My go. Okay. There, I'm going to pick this hot pink one right here. This one looks really interesting, so let's rip it open. Oh, it's Vicky Vanilla from season 6. And again, it has barcode.
And she's a rare.
Yeah.
So I'll
Oh,
just
there's
put her
2 in
in.
here. I can never remember this
Oh,
name.
that is one of my favorites, and it's yummy. It's Wooba whipped cream.
Sweet.
Another rare.
Okay, where's this go?
Okay, which one? Maybe, how about this little guy? Oh, wow, it's really jumbo and so hard to get out. Okay, and I think this is probably the biggest ball for the day. Chicken ball, and okay, so, it's like yogurt or ice cream. Oh, we found the other exclusive for Peppermint.
It is called the cone.
Okay, and where's the scissors? Sorry, sometimes it comes out straight away, like it just did. Oh, no. Sorry. Gonna open up the scissors. We'll fix this up. Is there anything else in here? No? This is really fun Play-Doh, because like,
It is really soft.
just look at this and nothing there. Nothing up, obviously. And it's really squishy. Okay, and
Now it's my go. Ooh, I am going to pick this hot pink one right here. Let's open it. Now I think this is going to be a tough one.
yeah.
Well, I think I can see one right now. Oh, they're really small.
I wonder how many there is in there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Whoa. It's a tiny donut. It's from Donatina's
Oh, it has a little